Okay, Bitcoin has fallen from an all-time high of 68,000 in 2021 to under 18,000 in June 2022. This is a 75% decrease from its all-time peak. As of September 7, 2022, Bitcoin is trading at under 20,000, which is still 73% behind its all-time high. To determine how long the cryptocurrency bear market will last, we must first look at the history of the cryptocurrency bear market. Because Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency, and many other cryptocurrencies tend to follow Bitcoin price action, therefore, in this video, we will only look at the history of Bitcoin bear markets. Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to my channel. This is Yonas Temnewa with another exciting topic. Please don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe to the channel if you already haven't. Let's get started. So, Bitcoin has been in existence for 13 years. It was created during the 2009 economic downturn. And interestingly enough, there have been 5 Bitcoin bear markets since Bitcoin's inception. That is including the one we are experiencing in 2022. Bitcoin saw its first bear market in 2011. Bitcoin dropped from a high of $32 on June 8, 2011 to 0.1 cent. That was a 99.68% decrease. The bear market lasted 20 months until the market returned to its all-time high of $32. Please remember that there were few exchanges at the time and Bitcoin was still in its beginning. Then, in 2015, Bitcoin had its second bear market. You may wonder if there were more records of Bitcoin crashes before 2013. The only one we had was that of 2011 because it was the first massive crash. Again, due to a few exchanges at the time, it is challenging to get Bitcoin charts from that time. During the second bear market, Bitcoin dropped from an all-time high of 1,000 to as low as $178 in 2015. The price dropped by 82.2%. It took 37 months, which is 3 years and 1 month, for Bitcoin to return to its all-time high of $1,000. Next, in December of 2017, the third bear market began. Bitcoin hit an all-time high of $20,000 before falling to $3,242. This indicates a drop of 83.79%. Bitcoin regained its all-time high of 20,000 after 36 months. Next, after reaching a new all-time high of $63,000 in April 2021, Bitcoin dropped below $29,000 in its fourth bear market. This is a 53.96% loss from its all-time high of $63,000. This could be considered the shortest bear market in Bitcoin history, as it only took 6 months for Bitcoin to reach a new all-time high of $68,000. The fifth bear market is the one we are experiencing now. So far, Bitcoin has fallen to as low as $17,000 from its all-time high of $68,000. Given the short history of Bitcoin's bear markets, this is what all this means for Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. We found that when Bitcoin drops, it tends to crash by 90 to 80%. That is a significant percentage. This means that cryptocurrency is quite a volatile asset. We saw this in the early days of Bitcoin when it reached its first all-time high of $32 in 2011 before entering a bear market and getting a new all-time high of $1,000. Then came 20,000, 63,000, and the new all-time high of 68,000. I would argue that such volatility in cryptocurrency is necessary. Remember, there are thousands of cryptocurrencies in circulation, and not all of them are here to stay. Such extreme volatility would aid in the elimination of cryptocurrencies with no utility use. In addition, those all-time highs do not happen on a V-shaped recovery. Instead, it is a gradual and steady process that takes patience on the part of the investor. This also indicates that every time Bitcoin reaches a new all-time high, it's usually followed by a bear market. Primarily, the previous bear markets of Bitcoin occurred due to security reasons, followed by some economic turmoil. However, the current cryptocurrency bear market is the result of the war in Ukraine and the world's high inflation rates. Another cause of rising inflation is higher money printing, as we have witnessed in the last 2 years of the pandemic. In June, the US inflation rate reached 9.1%, the highest level in 40 years. So, after looking at the short history of Bitcoin's bear market, when will this bear market end and a new all-time high for Bitcoin be reached? So, given the current global economic situation, which includes high inflation rates and Federal Reserve interest rate hikes in the US, which will take time to reduce inflation, I predict this bear market to persist until 2023. Furthermore, as we have seen earlier from Bitcoin bear market history, the typical bear market lasts only 2 years. As a result, I anticipate this crypto bear market to last until 2023. Thank you everyone for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you like the video, please remember to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Also, please let me know what you think of the video by commenting down below. Thank you.